The Vivo V15 Pro comes with 32-megapixel pop-up selfie camera and triple rear camera. Choose from two colors, topaz blue and ruby red. The phone is made available with 6GB RAM plus 128GB internal memory, expandable up to 256GB with a dedicated microSD slot. Both SIM slots support 4G Volt capability. The 6.39-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display provides a seamless experience with 91.64% screen-to-body ratio. Unlock the phone using the in-display fingerprint sensor. The 48 million quad-pixel sensor plus 8-megapixel AI super wide-angle camera plus 5-megapixel depth camera comes with AI super night mode and 120-degree super wide-angle mode. The 32-megapixel pop-up selfie camera allows you to take perfect selfies with little post-editing. Both the primary and the selfie cameras are packed with AI features such as AI Face Beauty, AI Portrait Composition, Bokeh Mode, AI Body Shaping, Portrait Light Effect, AR Sticker, Video Face Beauty, Gender Detection. The phone runs on Android Pie-based FunTouch OS. The V15 Pro is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 AIE octa-core processor. It features Game Mode 5.0 that reduces frame drop by 300% for an immersive gaming experience. The phone is powered by a 3700 mAh battery with dual-engine fast charge technology. The box includes handset, earphone, user manual, micro USB to USB cable, USB power adapter, SIM ejector pin, and protective case. Check the product page for details on EMI options and exchange. For further information on the product, warranty, payment, and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.